What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can delete a message from the group in workspace of the Slack. So what you're going to do is just go to your Slack and go to the team, and then let me just write something like hello everyone. So I wrote this. Now over here you'll be having three dots. Just press it and you'll be having the options like forward message, save per letter, but we need to delete the message, so just go over here and select the delete message and it will ask you to confirm it. So just select the delete and it will delete the message, guys. So that's how you delete a message from the group in Slack. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. Stay safe, guys. Thanks for watching.